Order 7 rule.
First question, first advice was,
Order 7.
first advice should have been
7-11.
Why you have not advised this?
Advised.
Filed?
Advised. Taken
Filed?
steps. Taken steps there.
Filed or not filed? Yes or no? The last resort. This is not a read court like yours. Everything can be molded. Everything can be done. The senior advocates are now there to mold every relief.
Malord, it will be tomorrow.
Even one day I'll be hardly hearing that read court has granted decree of divorce.
I am plaintiff appellant, my lord. And the respondent opposite party over me.
For the caveat.
Caveat also.
Malord, 3 limbs of my submission in a nutshell, my lord. Just first I'll take 30 seconds. Suit filed by the defendant initially for eviction of a trespasser. Suit decreed by this honorable court in second appeal. SLP preferred against that decision of eviction against the husband of the petitioner. SLP dismissed. Decree put into execution against the husband. Wife comes up with a fresh suit for adverse possession before the Bidhannagar Civil Court, Junior Division, saying that she has come to learn recently that the defendant is the owner of the property which she has acquired by adverse possession, that also first floor flat, and therefore she is now trying to evict her, and therefore she needs an ad interim order of injunction.
No, the suit by the wife.
Suit filed by the defendant.
Eviction got affirmed.
Eviction. I am the
against the husband.
Against the husband. Affirmed till the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, the wife of that particular gentleman who is the judgment debtor. Judgment debtor.
Now the husband has gone.
No, they are there. Decree put into execution. Not execution, not over. Just in order to stall my execution by way of an injunction. The wife filed a... My lord will kindly come.
Where is the suit?
My lord will kindly come. First, my lord will kindly see.
No, tell me what is the suit about?
Suit is for adverse possession.
So where is the plaint?
I'm coming. My lord will kindly come to page 26.
26
of my lord's brief.
(2024).
My lord, the suit has been filed by Malvika Acharya. Now, against Sampa Acharya, she is the decree holder against the husband of Malvika Acharya, who is Sri Molay Kumar Acharya.
No. These two plaintiff and defendant are related anyway.
Yes.
They are sisters.
Sister-in-law. Malvika Acharya is the sister-in-law of Sampa Acharya.
Acha. Very good.
And Molay Kumar
Acharya and Molay are in good relation?
Yes. Molay Acharya is the husband of Malvika.
No, they are in good relation?
Yes, they are living together.
And then this is execution levied against this Molay.
Against Molay.
When?
Recently, my lord.
No, take me the execution application.
My lord, execution I have not put in, but my lord, I have put in the degree which was passed, my lord.
No, tell me execution has been put in or not.
Yes, my lord.
What is the number? Tell me, Mr. Devin.
My lord will kindly bear me for 2 seconds. My lord, execution. My lord, execution has been put in, my lord. What do you call it? Order. My lord will my lord, my order is there, my lord, of expeditious disposal. My lord will kindly come there. There's an order of expeditious disposal where the execution has been mentioned. My lord will bear me, my lord. If my lord will kindly come to page 137. My lord will find it. Of 2024.
Title execution.
My lord, title execution case number 33 of 2024, page 137, my lord, order passed by this honorable court for expeditious disposal of this particular execution case.
The suit filed when?
Suit filed by Sampa Acharya, the defendant.
When it was filed?
My lord, it was filed in 2009. My lord, that order, my lord will get it.
Please come to page 26.
I'm there, my lord. Page 26.
What is the number of the suit?
Well, number of the suit is 93 of 2024.
When it was filed?
After putting my execution, after my execution was
sure
110%, my lord. 110%, my lord. My lord, in fact, my lord, the number is 2023. It was put into execution in 2023. It has been wrongly mentioned in that order, my lord. It was put in 20.
My lord,
how can you maintain it?
My lord, it's maintainable because I have set up my independent right title interest, my lord.
Right, very rightly said.
My lord,
very rightly said. Have you got a code of civil procedure with you, sir?
My lord,
have you got a code of civil procedure with you? Please take order 21, rule 103.
Lord, I'm coming.
Please take order 21, rule 103. What does it say?
Orders to be treated as decree. When an application has been adjudicated upon under Rule 98 or Rule 100, the order made thereon shall have been the same force and be subject to the same condition as to be appealed or otherwise as it is.
So it is a decree, you will be getting a decree as you just now you have said their independent right.
Yes.
Then please come to 101.
Question to be determined. All questions, including the question relating to right title interest.
That's exactly what you have said. Independent right title. And read out.
Read out. But there is judgment below of this.
Read out.
Yes.
I always go by the code, not by these judgments.
Arising between the parties to the proceedings on an application under Section 97, under Rule 97 or Rule 99, or their representatives, and relevant to the adjudication of the application, shall be determined by the court dealing with the application and not by a separate.
Not by a separate suit.
For this purpose, the court shall have. My lord, that is true, but the judgment is.
That is true. I am rejecting your plaint.
No, my lord.
You need not defend. You need not defend your injunction order. Suit is not maintainable on the face of it.
My lord,
therefore,
kindly,
you cannot have any order of injunction.
Kindly.
My lord, I stand corrected. My lord, it is title execution case number. Title execution case number.
Read the code in a new way. What is said?
The judgment passed against my husband is not binding on me, my lord.
Of course not. I am giving you a series.
It is not.
I am giving you a series of judgment. You need not go there. Take it.
Well, this is a suit for the title and eviction, not for the suit for the ejectment against my husband.
You are not possibly following. That is why I have asked him whether the relationship of husband and wife is strange. Is there so?
Yes.
If their properties are not in a good terms, husband and wife, then what was the judgment is called Kamala.
My lord, that my lord, eviction suit, my lord,
yes.
Against husband, my lord.
In case of the eviction, but of the title, my lord.
Listen, even an eviction decree which husband has suffered, the law is well settled. Wife cannot be asked to vacate or to sustain such decree without giving a challenge to it. Even right of appeal has been recognized of the wife. Now it is not your case that your husband and you are in not a good relationship. Now this is not the question. As you have not just opened my independent right title interest, that should not be 101 bar to suit comes straightway. That is why I was inquiring when the injunction execution case was filed, when the suit was filed.
23, the execution case was filed.
Execution. Address on this point. Otherwise,
kindly give a chance to file opposition. My lord, I like
opposition of what? Revision.
My lord, what the order? My lord, the order challenge, the ad interim order challenge, my lord. That is no longer subsidiary. It is a march into another order, my lord. This is an appeal under order 43.
Your suit is not maintainable. Defend your suit is not maintainable.
My lord, they prefer and
your suit is not maintainable.
The order under challenge is appealable, my lord.
My lord, next is 8th of October has been fixed for this particular. My lord, they initially
filed, my lord, on order 39 rule for application, which is pending.
Which is pending before the appellate court. May I, my lord? I'm coming to
Mr. Trivedi, show me.
Yes,
show me from where have you taken this point?
Where? What? of this.
Anywhere you have taken this point, bar under order 21 rule 90 101.
Yes, I have.
Where show me.
Well, I will kindly come.
Bar. Are ad interim maintainability to gather ad interim order to pass a prima facie case is required.
Yes, Milord.
Prima facie case is to be gathered from where? Maintainability of the suit. In aid of an not maintainable suit, no injunction can be granted. This is settled. This is no dispute with regard to your suit is not maintainable on the face of it.
But Milord, paragraph 8 of the judgment said, I have independent right to file a.
Possibly you want to follow independent right title interest, invite the executing court to decide. Why by a separate suit? I am not saying that you don't have any right. But the forum you have chosen a wrong, there is a bar of code itself that you cannot maintain.
The suit is pending. They appeared in the suit below. They never take this point in the suit.
We have
filed the affidavit.
Why you have not taken this point?
Milord, we have
Taken, my lord, he is not posted with the facts, my lord.
What you have taken? Order 7 rule 11.
My lord, since my lord directed me to come to this particular aspect, which is the most salient feature which we were on. This was the salient.
Why you have not taken this point?
My lord, may I?
Show me where have you
my lord, may I?
Why have you not taken? Where is have you? Or not on this oral argument?
I will.
I want to see the document. Where have you taken that?
My lord, may I? My lord,
yes. Quick.
My lord, order initially suit filed by them.
I do not want a single word. Show me the document or anywhere you have taken this point. Suit is barred under order 21, rule 101.
My lord, I have filed order 39, rule 4 in the appellate court, taking all these points which is pending. And simultaneously, I have also taken 227 over here. Well, that I simultaneously I have not.
Show me.
Well, will give me 1 day's time. A day's time, my lord. Maybe because my lord I will show prima facie, my lord, the suit is
this kind of suit.
Yes, my lord, I know.
First,
order 21 rule.
Mr. Trivedi,
order 7 rule.
First question, first advice was.
Order 7.
First advice should have been.
7-11.
Why you have not advised this?
Advised.
Filed.
Advised. Taken steps there.
Filed or not filed? Yes or no?
Well, that I have to take instruction. Order 7, rule 11 is the first thing, Miller.
Come on the next date, save your suit. From here, I will dismiss your suit. And if you want to take back, go there, file an order 21, rule 97 before this. From here, I will take.
My lord, I want to take back my suit and I'll file, my lord.
Yes, order 21, rule 97, no problem. No problem. At least the good sense will prevail.
My lord, I'm sorry, I cannot match up with the speed of lordship. My lord,
next one, pass water.
My lord, so I said,
this is not
will it be tomorrow?
Code of civil procedure that will determine everything. The last resort. This is not a read court like yours. Everything can be molded. Everything can be done. The senior advocates are now there to mold every relief.
My lord, it will be tomorrow.
Even one day I'll be hardly hearing that read court has granted decree of divorce.